Hello friends, do you want to use ChatGPT 4 free of cost? If you are looking for to use ChatGPT 4 of cost, you have to open the Bing. So you can use Bing Search API or Bing Chat. So this is what Bing. You can open the Edge browser and you can click on this icon Bing Chat. This is a Bing Chat, which is the latest version Bing Chat powered by ChatGPT 4. You can click here and you can start searching the questions like that you can do, or in normal Bing search you start asking question, give me take 10 use cases of tech support, something I'm just asking here, and you click on the chat. Once you will click on the chat, it will go and open in the chat. This is what the chat window. You can it is having three modes: creative, balanced and precise. We can use a creative mode and give me some hobbies. You can ask what is the dinner, what are the different type of dish available in the market, and see it is giving the hobbies for busy peoples. Let's see what it is giving. It is giving puzzle for kids. You can engage the kids with the puzzles. And let's see next. Yeah, coloring books for adults. You can give coloring books and different things it is asking. So if you want to use some of these ChatGPT 4 features, you can use Bing search app. Bing search or Bing chat you can use, where you will get all the latest ChatGPT 4 feature. If you see here, it is saying Bing chat with ChatGPT 4. GPT-4, it is using the latest version. So thanks for watching this video.